Today we're going to make dal, rice, and Carailli. Look at the size of this. I'm going to wring out this water now. So let's see how wonderful the Carailli come out from the chul, huh? Right here we're going. Shanty again. Well, here what's going on. This is Shanty little kitchen garden she have here because she place so small. She can, not too small. The place big enough, but a lot of sheep. So the sheep does eat out everything I plant. So I just chuck some in here. You see my little garden inside of here. We have some nice, everything here what you think about. We have tomatoes, we have pepper, we have nice big aloes. Look at the size of them aloes. Today we're going to make dal, rice, and Carailli. So one of my Carailli ripen here, but I'm going to pick them still. Look at the size of this. Look at them.
How long this Carailli growing here for?
This is long enough. This time for maybe Christmas. And Shanty done start to get Carailli and look at the size of this.
Fresh off the vine.
Fresh off the vine. So when I want cooking this, and this I have no salt, absolutely no salt. So it's really, really nice. And it have plenty. Watch out how much and it have a lots of body and everything. Shanty put everybody in one uniform. Look at the bodies. How beautiful the body is. I have everything. That is why I tell people I go in local. Local everything, nothing with salt. And this is the, take a look at this. This is a fever grass, right? Make one of this and smell it. I first ever time I see this, somebody should tell me if fever grasses be like Christmas thing. Tall enough, I could go outside and let the camera pick up so I'll go see it when this go. What's in front there? It really, really like a seed. First time I witnessed that, this is what I was telling somebody.
It smells like
it's fever grass, but first time I was somebody who watched this video tell Shanty what it is. It's too big. Really, really big, and look at going up at the end outside. We could take a shot at it outside. Let me show you. I feel a lion. Yes, look at it. I don't know what it is. I finding out from plenty people, but it's fever grass. Look at this. Right? Look at this. How it being like how pretty. Look at this. Somebody who know about this could call Shanty and tell she about it. I don't know. Yes, look at my nice, wonderful body in it, man. That's so. Look at this. Watch this. Oh, what a big, eh? Nice body, beautiful body into the garden. Look at here. I got a ladder to pick. Hey! I got a ladder to pick this body and them. This is a short body, but you cannot leave it too long. It have a fly. This come and sit on top of it and it is spoiled. So this is how you have to pick it. Don't wait to get bigger because the fly is sit on and spoil all. I have a young bygone coming up here. It has just lots of things and then I have my next garden on that side. So we're going to make dal and rice and Carailli. Really nice. So I'm going to cut up this Carailli, fresh thing, no salt. So you're going to see, so it's two and it's going to make really, really pretty when Shanty cut it up. So this is my Carailli here. You see how we hardly have seed? Watch how big this Carailli, watch.
How do you know when it's time to pick Carailli?
When it get big like any hard, you see how he ready to pick? He knows how to form right. So he got there ready. So I'm going to cut up here there now. I'm going to cut up this now. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. This is nice to make carailli. Carailli like this. This pick for carailli. Well, you will see this how nice it's coming out. Remember we mother them in them kind of days, them can offer to take me to no big school. After short school. Well, you remember someone in short school and for the time to stay home to cook, them had to work. Them is to work in the cocoa, picking coffee and all them kind of things. So we had to stay home to cook. Us 3 sisters and 4 brothers. So we had to, the girls them had to cook, the boys them had to work. So this is what we learn. But I know I learn a lot from my parents to cook. See, coming to cooking, nobody can tell me nothing about cooking. And me about show nobody food. But I could handle my story. This is lunchtime. Well, she could put same fire aside. She could pop she dal to cook. And then she could cut up she Carailli thing. She could make this for lunch for we. And then she make a little sideline or something. Cook some chutney or something in it. So we grow with more of this kind of food. Remember, a long time people can afford to buy chicken. Now people have money, long time you can afford that. You have to plant gardens. So. And we parents and them grow Not like to say they had a big job, them go picking coffee and cocoa and thing. That was their work. Yeah. So we end up coming out the same way.
So meat was like a luxury.
Yeah, if we get meat, we get it on a Sunday alone. And then after, when things started better, my father come and get a good job in Aziz. Very good job. So wasn't this anymore, was good food we getting, we top of the line. We start to build up house, from that house and thing we go on good. But remember, where we live in the dot house too, that's still in we. So that is why we will grow with that in we body now. Yeah. So I just keep it down to earth now. I going down to earth. Me, I want to come up and, well, you see, if somebody come to do a video, I not running to put on no earring and makeup and chain and high heel shoes and things. Take me just how all this me, that is how we grow. You know, them real Indian who come from India. That's how they come with a little thing wrap up and thing. Me, I going up and no show. Anytime somebody come and say, Shanty, we want you dress up to go up on social media, you have something to do. The only way I had dressed because I went on a video thing with Sultan them, so I put on. But to do this kind of cooking and thing, nah. If you come catch me just so barefoot anyhow I taking out my video, I not shame.
How you normally be?
Normal, I want to be natural, I want to be original all the time now. I don't want to have no setter thing, right? So this is how the Carailli cut up. You see Shanty cut with a knife, she talking and everybody cut the same size. Same way when I build in the chola, I build the same size, watch that.
So what's the next step now?
Right, so I'm going to salt this here, right?
Why you salt?
Because some people now, if I salt it and we go to cook it, it go steam like it go come out soft. But if we put the salt now and we wring it, the juice from this going to come off.
Okay.
And then when you fry it, it will be nice and dry. But but plenty people, now if I going to fry this very thing, some people will say fry it just so they like the bitterness. But this one, no, because this is salt, this is real bitter. Okay, it has no salt in it from the garden.
I see the salt will also draw the bitterness.
Yeah. You see when you buy it and you leave it on your counter and you, for 2-3 days go back, you see it remain and it melt down. Yeah. That is salt, whatever thing the garden. But this Carailli, you could carry this and leave this whole day, whole week just so, and it will never melt because the garden has no salt. But I going to salt this now. So when you salt it now, this salt getting in between the Carailli. Everybody. You will see this just now, how nice this will be. So I'll get back to all you just now again. So I'm going to cut up my onion. So, this is the pepper going in here to fry the Carailli. Something more into making this, you have to make it nice and tasty, good pepper. Right, so this is the Carailli here now. This is what we had cut up just now. Take a look, see how it make the water. That. I'm going to wring out this water now. So I have to take out all that. So it will come out like this. Right, so this is the sauce come out from it, you know. Some of us drink this, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is it?
Who diabetic?
Really?
Yeah, because it's bitter and it cut. Just drink it. You could eat it just so too. Just how it is green from the tree, they eating it just so too. Then I put some Carailli here. Right, so you see I put them up and up there. But my fire a little too low, so I have to put a little more fire inside of here. Right. Right, so I add in my oil in here for my Carailli. That is my oil. We're going in with some people just put the Carailli first and let it cook, but I don't do that. I like my things to cook proper. So this is my onion going and burn here. Right? So nice and golden brown this will come. I just cook step by step, right? So this is what going in first. All my food. So when you put this oil going to flavor. So you get the taste of the food, what you're looking for. So this is my pepper going in there. It will be a little brown, but say what? You make it cook, but I nothing. So this is a brand new pot. Let's see I put up here. Look at how the fast I get in it. So you have to expect that in cholha. When you want to cook in cholha, you have to expect anything. You and all getting black in the cholha. So this is the garlic going in here now. Fresh Carailli from a street. No salted Carailli. I salted it to cook right. So this going in here now. Fire, boy, fire. Right. Nah, I don't too much fire to die then. You don't want plenty heat on this Carailli. You want a little dying out fire, right? So this is my average again. That is my average on my salt.
How you measure?
3 fingers, joints. And that is a day. So that is enough salt there. That is the measurement here. I have everything to measure, you know, but me I believe in that measuring spoon and thing. I measure with my hand.
So you're frying the Carailli.
Right, so this Carailli going to fry here now. And this cholha in slow heat. So when this Carailli fry proper, coming back to all you did now. With this Carailli, you'll see that just now. Slow heat, but you heat there. Right, so let's see how wonderful the Carailli come out from the cholha. Now, if we make it too brown when we eating, we're going to be eating cardboard. So we can't make it too brown, right? So we have to have it a little soft. So it's really nice. Look at it, it is stick or anything. Because it don't cook, you can see it, watch the difference, watch how soft it is. Okay. Alright, it's how soft it gets. Right, watch that. That's how I know it finished, so it's done. So this is like timer at Shanty. So he finished there now. So I'm going to take he down. So I'm taking he down now and I'm going to lean he as this here. Why I lean in this? Because I want the oil now to run off he. So when now oil run off he there, it's going to drain off there.